Hi, welcome to Kamilmule Farms.
Before starting, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and support us. To get notifications on our next videos, please press the bell icon. If you like our video, please press the like button and share with your friends. Hi, hello, namaskara. In this video, we show you how we store the firewood. Firewood is best stored outside. It should be stored neatly, with the outside of the wood exposed to the air. If possible, you should place the wood on top of plastic sheeting in a wooden log store. We use firewood mainly to heat up the water for bath and sometime for cooking the food. Wood is a renewable source of energy which takes a lot less time to renew than fossil fuels or gas. Green Much have stated that burning wood produces 0.008 kilograms of CO2 per kWh, compared to gas 0.198 kilograms and 0.517 kilograms for electricity. Wood is energy from the sun, stored by the tree as it grows. When you burn wood, you are releasing this stored energy. In the dark of winter, it's like having a bit of summer sun on your hearth. When fuels burn, they release carbon dioxide, the greenhouse gas responsible for global warming. The firewood ash will be used to boost the pH of our agricultural land soil quickly, faster than limestone, since the ash is more water soluble. Wood ashes can be used to deter pests like slugs and snails, and even to repel ants. Sprinkle a small amount or ring around susceptible plants and reapply after the rain washes the ash away. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.